Welcome to this exciting video tour of the Buster Tiny House, designed and constructed by Build Tiny in beautiful New Zealand. This stunning tiny house is a true masterpiece of modern design and functionality and is sure to leave you amazed and inspired. From the moment you approach the Buster Tiny House, you'll be struck by its sleek and stylish exterior, clad in two-tone colored corrugated steel that gives it a unique and eye-catching appearance. One of the standout features of the Buster Tiny House is its double-glazed aluminum windows, which are not only energy efficient but also tinted for privacy. The full-light French doors provide an abundance of natural light, making the interior feel bright and airy. As you step through the full-light French doors, you'll enter the great room, which is designed to be both comfortable and functional. With ample space for a couch and table set, the great room is the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. And with vinyl plank flooring used throughout the house, you can be sure that your feet will always be comfortable, no matter where you roam. This compact yet functional kitchen is equipped with everything you need to prepare delicious meals and entertain guests. Featuring laminate countertops that are both stylish and durable, the kitchen is the perfect space for cooking up a storm. With a freestanding range, dishwasher, and refrigerator located under the stairs, you'll have all the appliances you need right at your fingertips. Step beyond the kitchen and you'll find the bathroom in the Buster Tiny House. Featuring an alcove shower that is both stylish and practical, you can enjoy a refreshing shower without sacrificing space. The vanity is the perfect place to get ready in the morning, with plenty of storage space for all your toiletries and personal items. Featuring an alcove shower that is both stylish and practical, you can enjoy a refreshing shower without sacrificing space. The vanity is the perfect place to get ready in the morning, with plenty of storage space for all your toiletries and personal items.